Hi, my name is Angela Penner and I'm a teacher for Bright Lights. I teach a class called Bubble Festival. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite bubble wands. You're just going to need a Gatorade bottle, or if you don't have one, you can use an empty water bottle or an empty milk jug. You're going to need a grown-up at your house to cut the bottom of the Gatorade bottle off, and I've already done that. And then you're just going to need a sock or a cut-up t-shirt that would fit over the bottom of it. I'm going to use a sock because I think that gives it a little bit better fit. You're just going to slip it on and pull it up as tight as you can. Then you're going to need a rubber band and secure that around there. Now you're ready to blow bubbles. I have some bubble solution that I've made here. When I made this, this is just a very small batch, but to make my regular batch, I use 11 cups of water, 4 cups of dish soap, and 1 cup of corn syrup. And I'm just going to dip it in, and then the magic is going to happen. You're going to see the best bubbles. It's called a snake bubble, but I like to call them diamond bubbles because when the sun reflects on them, they look like your yard is going to be full of diamonds. I hope you enjoy making my bubble wand, and next summer I hope to see you at some of the Bright Light camps. Thank you.